You're either one of two camps. You have either achieved all your financial goals for the year, or maybe you have some goals that you were not able to achieve. Whichever one you are, it's fine. Hi, this is Sheyi from Don't Go Broke TV, and welcome to my channel. We have just a few short weeks to the end of the year, and you might be thinking about the financial goals that you started the year with. So you're either one of two camps. You have either achieved all your financial goals for the year, or maybe you have some goals that you were not able to achieve. Whichever one you are, it's fine. I want to make some suggestions that will help you to still end this year on a good financial note, and it will also set you up for financial success in the coming year. First of all, if you don't have a tax-free savings account, a registered retirement savings account, or a first home savings account, I would suggest that you open one before the year runs out. The process is entirely free, and you can do it online all by yourself. A tax-free savings account is an account that you can open, and all your withdrawals from that account or all the growth that you make in the account is completely tax-free. There are some requirements about it, and we talk about it here. The RRSP is your registered retirement savings plan, and it's saving towards your retirement. There are penalties for early withdrawal because this is for retirement, except you are withdrawing for your home buyer's plan. The first home savings account is a great savings option for first home buyers in Canada. It offers you the tax-free option of a TFSA and also the tax advantages of an RRSP. If you don't end up buying a home, you can always transfer the funds from your first home savings account to your RRSP. If you don't have any of these accounts, or you have one or two, make sure you're opening it before the end of the year. Number two is gain control of your monthly spend. Don't just spend money without knowing where the monies go. And the way that you can do this is by having a budget and being able to track your spending every single month. Do you know how much you spend on groceries? What about your internet, telephone, outings in the month? You need to know how much all of these cost so that you can track where the most of your money is going, and you can be able to cut off any excess that you actually don't need. Truly, if you don't know where your money goes each and every month, it is a recipe for financial failure. So make sure you're starting a budget before this year runs out, and you're keeping up that habit of budgeting and tracking your expenses into the new year. Number three that I would suggest is automate your savings. I know we've heard the saying that you should pay yourself first, which means maybe keeping maybe 10% of your earnings every month in a savings account, or in this case, a tax-free savings account. But a lot of people don't do this because, of course, expenses will always show up. There's always a reason to spend money. And once money is in your checking account, you will find a way of spending it. So what I suggest you do is automate your savings. Yeah, a lot of banks will do this for you free. Just tell the bank or set up an automation that moves a certain amount of money from your salary account to your savings account or your tax-free savings account, or whatever account where you don't spend money from. That way you're sure that you are saving consistently rather than leaving it to when you feel like. If you leave your savings to when you feel like, it will probably never get done. Number four, if you're carrying a balance on your credit card, start paying it down. I don't know how much you have on your credit card, but these credit card debts can grow and grow out of proportion until they're out of control and people don't know what to do. Yeah, paying the minimum balance also doesn't help a lot to pay it down. So what I would suggest you do is pay the minimum plus $100. That will really cut down the length of time it will take to pay the entire credit card debt, and you can also finish the highest credit card debt that you have and take up the next one. But for sure, make every effort to try and pay down your credit card balances before the year runs out. It's going to set you up for success in the new year. Number five, invest in a high interest savings account. So if you have your monies sitting down in your savings account, then you're earning less than 1.5%, and that doesn't help you. Why? Because inflation is more than that. So you are losing money. make sure that you're saving in a high interest savings account that gives you an interest of upward of 4%, and they actually exist. Yeah, if you want to know a high interest savings account that you can invest in that gives you an interest of more than 4%, you can contact me. My contact details are in the description under this video, so you can contact me and I can direct you. But make sure that your money is not just sitting down in a savings account. Move your money to a tax-free savings account, a high interest savings account. Start investing. Saving is not investing. Investing is a way to grow your money, and you should be investing. Make sure that you're looking for investment options before the year runs out, and then you're continuing also in the new year. Number 6 is for those who have a mortgage. What I would suggest is to investigate your mortgage and explore options. There's a lot of uncertainty with regarding the mortgage interest rates because they've continued to go up in 2023 and nobody knows what's going to happen in 2024. So you may want to re-amortize your loan or make a lump sum payment towards your mortgage loan. At the very least, I would suggest you look at your budget and know that in the coming year, interest rates might go up, they might go down, so you should be prepared for whatever comes in the new year. Number 7 is rethink how much you spend on cars. Now, cars are really a big deal. A lot of us want to ride very good cars. We want to ride newer cars because, of course, it is more convenient to have a newer car and then makes you feel really good. A lot of us have emotional attachment to our cars. But you might want to look at a cheaper option because a car is a car is a car. It doesn't matter whether it's this year's model or last year's model or 5 years ago, a car is a car. And if you're also struggling a bit financially, you might think about going from a 3-car or a 2-car household to a 1-car household. It is inconvenient, I know, but you are trying to build a financial future as you close the year so that you'll be set up for financial success in the new year. So you might have to take in a little bit of inconveniences if you're actually struggling with your car payments, including gas, insurance, and all of the other things that are associated with your car. You might want to reconsider the options that you have and do something about it. Number 7 is for you to actually top up your kids' RESP before December. Now, the reason why I'm suggesting that is so that you can get that full 20% benefit from the government. So if you can save up to $2,500 before the year runs out, you're going to get the $500 free money from the government for your RESP. Now, you can carry these contributions forward, but playing catch up is a little bit difficult, isn't it? If you can find a way to top it up before the end of this year, that would be absolutely great. So these are the 8 suggestions that I have that can help you close the year as a financial success or a better financial success and set you up for success in the new year. Do you have any other suggestions? You can leave it in the comments below. Are you struggling financially? Do you need any help? You can ask your questions in the comments below. And would you like guidance on how to open a high interest savings account or a tax-free savings account? Why not give me a buzz? My contact details are also in the description link below. Guys, thank you very much for watching up to this point. Don't forget to like the video, share it, and I wish you the very, very best as you end this year and start the new year. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.